Today we see the examples on the scalar triple product by using the properties of the scalar triple product in the miscellaneous exercise 5. In the last lecture we see the examples of the scalar triple product of the exercise 5.5 by using the properties of the scalar triple product. Okay, here now we again see the same examples as the exercise 5.5. Now we see the examples on the miscellaneous exercise 5. Okay, here example number, it is 42. If A bar, B bar and C bar are three non-coplanar vectors, then show that A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon, it is C bar cross A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot A bar cross C bar upon C bar cross A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Okay, here see carefully. Now here we want to prove that the value of this term, it is a 0. Okay, here therefore we can write it is RHS. It is A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon C bar cross A bar dot B bar, okay, plus B bar dot A bar cross C bar upon C bar cross A bar dot B bar. Okay, now here we observe that the denominator is same, C bar cross A bar dot B bar, C bar cross A bar dot B bar. We want to find the value of this term and it becomes 0. Okay, here denominator is same, numerator at same magnitude but opposite in sign, then the subtraction it is a 0 because denominator is same. Now here we can write it is A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon, it is C bar cross A bar dot B bar. It is also a triple product. Okay, B bar dot A bar, C bar cross A bar plus, now here minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Here interchange, it is a single interchange, changes the sign of the triple product. It is C bar cross A bar dot B bar. Okay, here and then A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon, here C bar cross A bar dot B bar, it is minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar, it can be written as A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon C bar cross A bar dot B bar. Okay, here this minus sign, it is minus, remaining it is B bar dot C bar cross A bar, and then again by cyclic property, double interchange property. Okay, by cyclic property we can write it BCA can be written as in the form of ABC. It is cyclic property. It is ABC, triple product of ABC is equal to triple product of CAB and is equal to triple product of BCA. Okay, both the values are same. Okay, therefore here BCA we can write it is ABC. It is BCA is equal to ABC by double interchange property in a scalar triple product. Double interchange of a vector does not change the value of the triple product. Okay, it is called the cyclic property. Now we observe that first and it is second term, both are the same. Okay, C bar cross A bar dot B bar, C bar cross A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar cross C bar, A bar dot B bar cross C bar, and then both get cancelled. It is a 0. It is the value. Okay. Now we see the next example. See carefully. Next example, example number 45. Using properties of scalar triple product, using properties of scalar triple product, using properties of scalar triple product, prove that triple product of a bar plus b bar plus c bar and c bar plus a bar is equal to 2 into a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, here we have already seen this type of example in the last lecture. Here we can solve it. Here it is a bar plus b bar plus c bar, and it is c bar plus a bar. Okay, it is a triple product in the form of the box product. We can write in terms of dot and cross. Okay, triple product we can write in terms of dot product and cross product. Therefore it is the first vector, a bar plus b bar dot b bar plus c bar cross c bar plus a bar. Okay, here the product of vector, that is the multiplication, it is a product of multiplication in two vectors, that is a product, and it is a two types. It is a scalar product of vector and vector product of vector. Okay, first we solve the bracket. In the bracket there is a vector product, that is the cross product. Okay, take the multiplication of these two bracket, and it is multiplication, it is a cross. Then it is a bar plus b bar as it is into dot. Okay, here b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross a bar plus c bar cross c bar and plus c bar cross a bar. Okay, simple take multiplication, but here multiplication of these two bracket, but here it is a multiplication of vectors and it is a cross product. Okay, now by using the property of vector product, we can write here b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross a bar and plus c bar cross a bar. Okay, it is c bar cross c bar, it is a 0. Here we use the property of vector product. Okay, if the vectors are same, c bar cross c bar, it is a 0. Okay, here now again multiply these two brackets, but here multiplication is a dot. Okay, therefore a bar dot b bar cross c bar plus a bar dot b bar cross a bar plus a bar dot c bar cross a bar. Okay, multiply with a bar, that is the product with a bar of these three terms, then product with b bar, then plus b bar dot b bar cross c bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar plus b bar dot c bar cross a bar. Okay, see carefully. Okay, simple multiplication. Now again here we use the property of the scalar triple product. Okay, here in a scalar triple product any two vectors are the same. Okay, any two vectors are same, then the value of triple product is 0. Okay, here we can write it is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. First as a b c different vector, but here second term a bar dot b bar cross a bar, here two vectors are same, therefore it is plus 0, here 0, it is 0 and it is 0, therefore plus 0, 0 and 0. Okay, here remaining term first and last term. Okay, here middle 4 terms are the 0 because in triple product 2 vectors are the equal vectors. Okay, out of 3 vectors in the triple product 2 vectors are the equal, then triple product is 0. Now here we get a bar dot b bar cross c bar, and here it is a b bar dot c bar cross a bar. It is b bar dot c bar cross a bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So we can write here plus the last term, it is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, and then it is 2 into a bar dot b bar cross c bar, and it is our proof. 2 into a bar, b bar and c bar. It is in terms of dot and cross. It is a scalar triple product. It is also scalar triple product, but it is, we can write in the box product form. Okay, a bar, b bar, c bar. It is a box product of a bar, b bar, c bar. 2 into. Now, okay, here see carefully. We use the properties of here. From this step we can write this step. Here in this step it is a cancel because here we use the property of vector product. If 2 vectors are same, then cross product is 0. Then in this step take a simple multiplication. Okay, now in this step again we use the property. Which property? If 2 vectors are the equal in the scalar triple product, then the triple product is 0. Okay, here 2 vectors are same, 2 vectors are same, here 2 vectors and here 2 vectors are same. Okay, and then now here, okay, first term as it is, but it is last term. Here we use the cyclic property. Okay, here we use cyclic property. In this we take simple multiplication of brackets and use the properties of scalar product, scalar triple product here. Okay, and we get the answer. Okay, now next. Example number 46. If 4 points A with position vector A bar, B with position vector B bar, C with position vector C bar and D with position vector D bar are coplanar, then show that triple product of A bar, B bar, D bar plus triple product of B bar, C bar, D bar plus triple product of C bar, A bar, D bar is equal to triple product of A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay. Now here given that the 4 points are the coplanar, okay, here it is given points A with position vector A bar, B with position vector B bar, C with position vector C bar and D with position vector D bar are coplanar. Okay, here 4 points are the coplanar, therefore 3 vectors from these 4 points are also coplanar. Therefore vectors AB, AC and AD are coplanar. Okay, vectors are coplanar and we know that if 3 vectors are coplanar then their triple product is 0. Okay, when 3 vectors are coplanar then their triple product is 0. Now the triple product of vector AB, AC and AD is 0. Therefore we can write triple product of vector AB, AC and AD is equal to 0. Now it is a given condition and we want to prove that this condition. Okay, then we can write this in the form of position vectors. It is B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar, and it is D bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Okay, here it is a triple product form. We can write in the dot product and cross product. Here we can write B bar minus A bar dot C bar minus A bar cross D bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Okay, now simple multiplication of this, it is a cross and here dot. Okay, as a previous example. Now therefore it is B bar minus A bar as it is dot here C bar cross D bar, C bar cross D bar minus C bar cross A bar, C bar cross A bar minus A bar cross D bar, minus A bar cross D bar, and minus plus, it is A bar cross A bar, it is a plus A bar cross A bar, and this value it is a 0. Okay, then again we know that A bar cross A bar it is a 0 by using the property. Therefore we can write here B bar minus B bar as it is dot C bar cross D bar minus C bar cross A bar minus A bar cross D bar, and it is a 0 is equal to 0. A bar cross A bar 0. Okay, here it is the first step and then it is a second. Okay, here from this step we can write this. Here change only A bar cross A bar is 0. Okay, now again multiplication B bar dot this term, this is a one vector C bar cross D bar. Therefore we can write B bar dot C bar cross D bar minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar minus B bar dot A bar cross D bar, then minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar, and again plus A bar dot A bar cross D bar is equal to 0. Here take the multiplication with B bar and then A bar. Here multiplication is dot. Again here is the property of dot product, property of scalar triple product. If any two vectors in the scalar triple product are same, then the triple product is 0. Okay, here now it is BCD as it is B bar dot C bar cross D bar. Okay, then minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Okay, here again minus B bar dot A bar cross D bar. Okay, and then minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar. Okay, see carefully, minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar, and here plus A bar, here A bar same vector, A bar same, both are 0. Okay, now remaining these four terms, and we will show that this expression and in this also the four terms. Okay, here it is a right hand side we get triple product of A, B, C. Now here B, C, D, it is B, C, A. Now here it is A, B, C, B, C, A. It is B, A, D, and it is A, C, D. A, B, C, it is here. We can write this in the right hand side. Then we can write here. See carefully. It is B, C, D. B bar dot C bar cross D bar. Then minus B bar dot A bar cross D bar. It is BCD, and then it is minus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. We can write in arranges. This term can be written as here, and then minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar, and is equal to B bar dot C bar cross A bar. B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Here it becomes plus. Now these three triple products, see carefully, these three triple products all are in the addition. Now here it is a 2 in form of the negative. Okay, we can write property here, single interchange, then get it is a plus. Okay, see carefully, it is as it is, B bar dot C bar cross D bar plus B bar dot D bar cross A bar. Here see carefully, it is A bar cross D bar, it is minus. We can write D bar cross A bar, it is plus. Again here plus A bar dot D bar cross C bar and is equal to B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Okay, then these four terms we get, it is BCD. Here it is the second term BCD, but it is BDA, but we want to find ABD. Again here we use the cyclic property. Okay, see carefully. Therefore we can write in terms of box product, it is BCD plus BDA plus ADC and is equal to BCA. Okay, here we can only triple product written in the box product form, and now here by using cyclic property, here BCD, we have BCD. Okay, here BDA, but we have BABD. By cyclic property we can A here and BD, therefore we can write BCD as it is. Second term BDA, we can write here ABD. Okay, plus ADC, but we have CAD. ADC, we have CDA, then C get first, AD, and here we have EBC, A get first and then 2, it is A, B and C. Okay, see carefully. Okay, and it is a proof. Okay, only these two terms are the interchange. This can be written here and this can be written here. See carefully, here 4 points are the coplanar, there 3 vectors are coplanar, and 3 vectors are coplanar means their triple product is 0. Okay, scalar triple product of 3 vectors, when vectors are coplanar it is 0. We get this condition, then we solve this. Here again we use BCA. Here see carefully, BCA, it is a cyclic law. Okay, and then okay, see carefully all expressions. Now we see the next example. Next, example number 47. If A bar, B bar and C bar are 3 non-coplanar vectors, then show that a bar plus b bar plus c bar dot a bar plus b bar cross a bar plus c bar is equal to minus a b c. Okay, see carefully. Okay. Here this example is also same as the previous example in this lecture and the last lecture. Here this example for the homework. Okay, you can solve it. This example same we see in the last lecture and this lecture. Okay, you watch both lectures and solve this example.